I'm the homeschooling Grammy, and it's homeschool planner time. Yeah, we're starting school August the 5th. I think today, I should look, I think today's like July 25th or something, and I haven't done any planning yet. I haven't even opened the box that my planner came in. So I thought it would be fun to do an unboxing and show you all what planner I'm going to use for the 2019-2020 homeschool year. If this is something that you're interested in, stick around and we'll get started. Okay, so I checked, it is July 25th. But anyways, I'm just gonna do like a simple unboxing right now. I'm not going to get like into a whole bunch of depth of what's in the planner and that kind of thing. I will come back to that and give you a more in-depth look at my planner. I'm really excited about it. It's from Plum Paper, and if you've not ever ordered a planner from Plum Paper before, it is super fun when you go into their website because you can just totally customize it however you want it, and that's why I love it so much. And this one is my third one, so super exciting. So let me go ahead and open the box real quick, and I'll show you like it. Let me cover up my address, but see, Plum Paper. Super fun. And then when just kind of has like some bubble wrap on the top. Go ahead and take this bubble wrap off. It says here. Nice. Oh, it says get your product for free. Follow Plum Paper on Instagram. Number 2, post a picture of your Plum Paper product on Instagram and tag Plum Paper. And then number 3, on the list, on the 1st of each month, Plum Paper will pick a winner from our favorite post. And number 4, that winner will receive a refund for the cost of your product that you posted. Just maybe I'll have to do that. So I do believe, like I said, it's been a while since I ordered this. Our homeschool week, it's like a little pad. And I think that they gave me this for free. I know they did when I ordered my planner. I'll just open it up real quick so I can take a look-see myself. But here you go. And it has our homeschool week, this week's priorities, events, prep work to do. If I was only that organized. Maybe I will be now. I doubt it. Okay, so I know I ask myself, I've been doing this, since about the mid-1990s, most of the time. And I'm still here, as unorganized as I am. So I'm gonna just cover up. Well, everybody knows my grandmother's first name, but I'm going to cover up her last name. So this was the design that I chose. I'm going to take it out of the plastic so you can see it even better. I just thought it was so fun because they have all kinds of designs that you can choose from. So let me go ahead and just cover up her last name. But this is how I decided to design the front of mine. As you can see. And the back. And it's so pretty. Okay, so just going to show you that it's very sturdy. So there's like a plastic cover front and back to protect your planner. And then this cover, very thick too, very nice, very high quality. And let me just tell you something. Between you and I, it's a good thing for the plastic, because last year, 5 days, I think we're maybe 5 days into the school year, my husband spills his cup of coffee all over my planner. Needless to say, I wanted to cry. But the good news is the majority of my planner was saved. It only got a couple of pages because of this lovely plastic cover. So my FriXion pens, which I call my planner savers, and the plastic hardcover that Plum Paper puts on the planners saved my planner. So exciting, right? So anyways, so what I did, so you can choose the months that you want to your homeschool to be. Like you could have it go for just like, you know, September through June. You can do all year, however you want to do it. So I do a 12-month planner, but I start my planner in August because we start school in August. So I'll just kind of flip this over and show you. So as you can see, I start here in August. The tabs run through the whole school year. For us, August through July of the following year. But like I said, I don't want to go into a whole lot of depth with it, but I'll just kind of like do a quick flip through to show you. So there you see August, and it opens up to your monthly highlights. There's like lined paper. Then you have the calendar. And then after that starts the planning pages. And it goes through each month just like that. And then they have a tab because I got the homeschool edition, which I totally love because it gives you that option. So if you're a public school teacher, Plum Paper is awesome. If you're a homeschool teacher, Plum Paper is still awesome. I love the diversity. So there's the tab for homeschool. And then there's a whole bunch of stuff in here for homeschool. You know, like resources and reading logs and field trip logs, attendance, keeping records, which I have to keep attendance here in the state that I live in. Then on the back, there was checklist tab. And all the way in the back, there's some lovely stickers, which that is new this year. Mine didn't have that last year. So there's all kinds of like fun stickers. And then in the very back, there is a little folder so that you can put stuff in. As I drop my planner, but that you can put stuff in. So there's a little folder in the back too. So yeah, that's my Plum Paper planner. I highly recommend it. And like I said, I'm going to do a more in-depth look. I'm going to show you how I actually use my Plum Paper planner here in the near future. Probably in the very near future, since I have to plan. Because I'm a slacker like that. So anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. And you should really check them out. No, I'm not sponsored by them. No, I'm not anything by them. I just really, really love this planner. Like I said, my 3rd year. So take care, God bless, and I will talk to you all again real soon.